Right, welcome to my Zippo collection, inherited from my brother John, and he had some Vietnam ones. Oddly enough, this one, that one's a fake, the rest are genuine. Then you got some, I don't know if you can see, it comes out, that's the Nimitz, the various military stuff there. Major League Baseball, Beatles. That one's interesting. It's got track list on the back. It's a bit, not such good condition, but they are. Then you got all these. That's Californian Highway Patrol. I gave some Harley Davidson ones away for a charity for an auction. This one's a Camel. And you got Jack Daniels, ice hockey, I think. NASCAR, custom chrome. And you got Playboy, lots and lots of Camel ones. Don't know what that is. There's some quite a few Canadian ones around, and Zippo one. Jack Daniels, Zippo, various stuff really. That's the Camel ones. That's quite a nice one. Then various Canadian ones. This one my wife loves. It's gold, and that saddle. It's a Western saddle on there, a nice presentation box. AEL, no idea. That one. That's Zippo. That's just a Zippo one. Then we've got a Jim Beam. Another Canadian one. This one is a numbered. Limited edition. The number is that you can't see it. The number is stamped on the case, and it matches that. Smith & Wesson, and with the Smith & Wesson we had, for some reason, a couple of knives. Texas Hold'em, which are poker, I think. And then got this one. It's a presentation box. Limited editions stuff. That apparently is a blank there that the casing is made of, and then you got this thing here. Oh. There you go. I've got rid of about 15 or 20, I suppose, really, to family, friends, charity. I sold a couple on eBay.